In just a few months, kids will be done with school, and a local summer camp is racing to clean up its flood-devastated grounds.
Yeah, the YMCA's Leif Ericson Day Camp is recovering from thousands of dollars worth of damage. It's all hands on deck today because the camp director says there's not much the waters didn't touch. It's a similar site at another business in the 26th Street and I-229 area. Thankfully, donations and help are both coming in.
Oh, yeah, I grew up at the Y.
In his 99 years on Earth, Claude Hone has spent some of his best as a kid at the YMCA.
They taught me all the responsibilities of honesty and integrity and helping people.
He's particularly fond of the Leif Ericson Day Camp.
Because I could not afford to go. I wanted to go so bad. But back in those days, my folks could not afford to send me.
A lot has changed, and now Hone can afford to help out. The longtime donor just gave $5,000 to the camp. Camp director Mike Murphy says it'll help pay for flood recovery.
It's going to be a tremendous help.
Murphy says the flooding affected every building on the grounds, destroyed 2 vehicles and a lot of equipment. This area does flood, but Murphy says not like this.
Flood events. This was the summer of 1993 when there was some prolonged flooding. This was the big flood of 1984, and then unfortunately we've established our new high water mark of 2019.
Next door, workers at Cliff Avenue Greenhouse are putting everything back together.
These tables here are what we found and we're able to replant, and then everything else is, somewhere downstream or wherever the current might have taken it.
Well, this is where the water stopped. The owner says he considers himself lucky because a few more inches and it would have reached the electrical system.
Ziegler is thankful the flood didn't destroy all of his plants.
We're still here. We're still going to be here. come shop us and see what we have.
Both Ziegler and Murphy say they'll bounce back.
92 years.
As for Claude Hone, he says he'll make sure other kids can enjoy this camp for years to come.
I'll do anything to help this camp. I wish I could help physically, but at my age, I keep going, but I can't do the manual work anymore. I can't go out and lift those icebergs.
He was a treat to interview. Well, Ziegler says his business is resuming as usual, and the store is ready to go for customers preparing for spring flower planting. As for the camp, Murphy says it'll open on time in June. There's a GoFundMe page, and Murphy says the goal is to raise about $25,000. So far, it is nearing that goal.